Sarah Lee's Steals and Giveaways here. We have the ceiling fan light, like a flower. My husband put it up for me. And he's going to play with the remote to do the lights. There's on, off. It comes with the remote so you don't have no strings. And it changes the light colors. It's the different tones that it gives you. This thing is bright. And then you can see the clear plastic blade in the center there. That's your fan. And it kicks out. Look at that. He dimmed the light down. But the blade in the center, it really kicks out the airflow. I'm laying on the bed. And this thing gets going. See, it's not very loud. The dog's got going, but I really can feel it laying on the bed here. And it's got night mode so it can go quiet. With that fan, I almost don't need my box fan that I have over here on my dresser in my bedroom. But this is the light. Check the link below if you want to order one today. Thank you.